Hey everyone! In today's video, we'll be sharing with you our top 5 tips for buying a faja. Tip 3, quality manufacturing. When it comes to the material of your faja, you want to make sure you choose a high quality, durable fabric that will provide the necessary support and shaping. A popular material used for fajas is power net, which is a type of stretchy mesh fabric that can be found in different grades. Grade 1 power net is lighter and more flexible, while grade 2 is thicker and more abrasive. Depending on your needs, you may prefer one over the other. However, it is important to note that the quality of the material can vary depending on where the faja is manufactured. If you're looking for the best quality, look for fajas made in Colombia. Colombia is known for its skilled seamstresses and sewing manufacturing, especially for medical grade garments. Choosing a faja made in Colombia can ensure that you're getting a high quality product that will meet your needs. Remember, finding the right faja can take some time, but with these tips in mind, you'll be well on your way to finding the perfect faja for you. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.